Join us for the International Day of Statistical Literacy on May 21, 2024. Remember when, as a young student, you asked, "Why do I need math and statistics? When will I ever use them outside of school?" IDSL 2024 is going to share the importance of statistical literacy, of building the tools to interpret data on your own and tell the data's story rather than only believing others' interpretations of the data. On May 21, 2024, the world will celebrate the International Day of Statistical Literacy, a groundbreaking event that brings together experts, educators, and learners from around the globe. This one-day conference, organized by the International Statistical Literacy Project, ISLP, under the esteemed umbrella of the International Association for Statistical Education, IASE, the educational arm of the International Statistical Institute, ISI, promises to be a game-changer in statistical literacy. Join us for a full day of engaging presentations, interactive workshops, thought-provoking panel discussions, and invaluable networking opportunities.